Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Katanika. Today we have this beautiful old Bulgarian padlock from the 80s. It's called Rodina. This is a logo for the company called Rodina from Ivailovgrad. And it costs 330 levs. Levs are Bulgarian money. It's made out of brass, 5 pins, all standard pins. The brass type is ZNCU 3938, it's a bit softer brass, and the shackle is made out of non-hardened steel. It's easy to cut through. Keys are also made of the same type of brass. They are stamped. As far as I see, they are stamped. So that's why the bitting is usually bad on those locks. Most of the bittings are similar, or practically the same. Like they are all keyed alike. It works fine. You see the integrated locking pole with the cylinder inside. Pretty bad locking pole. Those locks were widely spread in Bulgaria and in Yugoslavia in 80s and early 90s. They are very cheap. They were very cheap. So people bought them for, I don't know, maybe a couple of bucks, maybe $1 for comparison. So those locks were used widely spread. So this is version 2. Version 1 had stamped Rodina IVGR, it's short from Ivailovgrad, and the price was also there, like in this case. It's a kind of communist thing to stamp prices, like the Bulgarians copied Soviets. So we will see what it takes to pick it open. Sometimes it's very easy to pick it, sometimes not, but we will try it. We'll try raking first. Raking and picking at the same time. The bitting, yes, it's bad, but pins are so badly made inside, driver pins, so this is kind of a security feature. It's not made on purpose, but it provides a better security with badly made pins. So this will be a fight, I see. It doesn't cooperate as usual. We'll see now. Let's try with the pick. Single pin picking. There it is. We got this open. So nothing special, but it's a piece of history. Rodina, Sevlievo, Sport and Metal were factories or padlock models from Bulgaria, and they were all present in former Yugoslavia. So they were very, very cheap, and people used them a lot. So let me tell you something else. I noticed a comment beneath my short videos. Some guy wrote that, "Whoa, it's just a padlock. What is so exciting about the padlock?" You see, all those padlocks I record, those are part of my collection. So, this channel, the purpose of this channel is to raise awareness about bad security systems, for people not to use them, not to buy them, for exploiting weaknesses, and for padlock collectors who want to see some foreign locks which are not common in their countries, in the West at least. So this is not a channel about entertainment, pure entertainment. If you want entertainment, you could watch reality shows, you could watch those jackass guys, you could watch something that's pure entertainment, that's nothing more than that. Or you could watch some educational videos. My channel isn't pure education, like science or something like that, but it's close to it. It's like a sister to the science channels. So, if you want to know about if you want to know more about locks, okay. If you don't, if you want to be entertained only, go and watch something else. I'm not judging, I'm not rude about you, not at all, but I will tell you honestly what I think about that comment, and everyone who's not interested in locks, well guys, thanks for watching and go on. I'm not forcing you to watch my channel, so it's all good. But I want to be clear with you. This is a channel about raising awareness, lock collecting, lock picking, and lock data, padlock data, usually. Historical data, technical data, and so on and so on. So, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.